fight. What does it look like? Why are you guys fighting? Just go with it. Junk face. Never here to watch. What are you doing here? I don't know. Hey. Lightning girl. You know you got blues, right? Whatever. Telekinesis. Well, who uses that? You can't even see it. Only if you're super powerful. So, it kind of doesn't do anything. Nothing that you would do. Are you saying I'm weak? Pretty much. Let's get on with it. Yeah, get on with it. You really think you can get rid of me that fast? You can't beat me. Well, you can't beat me either. Rachel, to the doctor.